Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. And finally, this is the last second video of our series HD wallpapers using Pixabay API. Now we are working on the publishing of our application. So it is necessary to create best screenshots to gain more download. So here I currently don't have my HD wallpapers series screenshot. So I had taken my notes app uh, screenshot. So you can see that S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5. So here we are going to design 5 to 6 screenshots for our notes application that I am going to use, and you can replace these images by your uh, wallpaper app, and I will provide you this code so that you will able to create the application as well as its screenshot and HD intro. So let's begin. So first you have to move to fly cricket. So you have to write flycricket.com, and then you will find this page. So here you have to start get started, and here you have to write your email address and your password. So when you do that, you have to click on sign up. So it is saying this account is already existing. So because I had already signed up, so I am not going to register it again. So now you will move to your dashboard. So here you have to make your another application, or you will find new button, then add another app, and then click write your application name. So here I am writing Android tutorials, and please make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon that motivates us, and you will get the latest notification when we upload a new video every alternative day. So first we have to move to a screenshot creator, and here we will able to create amazing screenshots for our application. So you can see this type of thing. Then we have to pick a device to start from scratch. So here we are going to make for S5. Okay, so here is our screen. So now as many as screenshots you want, you have to just add it here. So first let us create a 6 screenshots for our application using just 5 screenshots. So let's begin. So first of all I will explain you what is this dashboard. So here is back button, so you will be moved to back, then we are viewing as Samsung S5. Then when you click on preview, you will able to see all these screenshots. Then when we save, then it will automatically save and export, then it will download a zip file. Then here we have screen images which we have to add when this cursor is on the particular screen. So when we click here, so this cursor is here, means in here we will add the screenshot. Then here is some layout, background, and we can able to add image pattern, gradient color or solid color, then some text. So let's begin by applying all this stuff. So first let's decide the layout. So in first we are going to use this, then second we want this type of layout. So we can add multiple type of thing as you wish. So here you can see that here is second is our year. Then in third we are going to use this file. Then in third and fourth I am going to use this, and then create this. So when we upload a single image, we will show it twice. Then we have here simply this layout. Okay, now let us add some screenshots. So to add screenshot, we have to click here, then move to screen images, and A device color should be white or black, it will be your choice. So here we will take a white. So I am going to apply to all. So here is our complete white color of our all screenshots. Now let's add all this crane, and I had given it a rename. So we will find all this stuff in S1, S2, S3, S4 type. So here I am finding my screenshots. So first of all, here is our screenshots and S1. Then open the file. So you will find that here. Then in second we have to upload second screenshot. So this is the easy tool to make the screenshot. So as you are seeing, I am uploading my all the screenshots. So add screen, and here it is. So you will see that here we got image divided into two parts. Then we have more. So here is our S file. Okay, now file is done. Now we are going to check the layout as we want. So again we are going to uh, change the layout. So first is okay, second is also okay, third we have, I think we want this to show complete dashboard. So let's implement this and all that. Okay, now adding some text to all. So here you will find five types of typography. First is headline, modern form, friendly, geometric, and source. So we are going to use geometry, so it looks good. So first screenshot is ready, not full but around 75%. Then in second screenshot I am going to write a clean, not a clean, but write your note, and you can write HD wallpapers or whatever you want. Then here we are going to write clean dashboard, add your text, means we are giving the highlights to all to our application. So add your text and plan your day. So add your text, plan your day. Then here we are going to write add your image with note. Now in last we are going to write add URL to your note. So here I had written all the functions. Now our uh, background is not looking good, so we are going to move background. Then first let us check the single background. So first we are going to add screen one more time, then we may delete this screen. So first let us select its layout so that we can see maximum color. So here is this screen is okay, and now we are going to change its text. So I had removed its text, and now here we will check our background. So I think solid, let's implement solid first. So you can select your own colors that you want. So here there are around 15 to 16 backgrounds. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 16 plus solid color. And if you want your custom, then you can write it here. So there are unlimited colors. Then we have a gradient color. So here also you can customize yourself, but they were giving some suggestions, so you may implement all that suggestions. Okay, after we have image pattern, so when you upload your pattern, then it will come backward, but here by default we have this some image background, so we are going to use this for all. So currently I am going to delete this screen. Okay, and then one by one implement all these image patterns. So here I had implemented in first screen, then in second screen also, in third screen also. We are going to implement this to all this screen. So here, okay, after we add all this stuff, then we will going to preview. So here is our preview. So you can see that all these custom screenshots that we have created in short period of time. Now we have to save or export. So I am writing export and then select all these images, so it will convert it into a zip file. Then I am going to download 6 files. So here it will take some time and preparing a zip file for us. Then I will show you after opening this zip that how our screenshot is looking. So here you can see that, so show in folder, and here is our folder. In that here is our all screens that we had made. So let me change its type. Okay, so I am going to replace my previous all screenshots from here. So here is our all screenshots, so I am going to replace. Oh no, first let me delete these files. Okay, so you can see that all these screens, so let me open the full screens. Okay, added. So here you can see that all this screen is downloaded, and you can export it as well. So you can upload this image to your play console account. So thanks for watching this short Android tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.